which phrase below refers to one prepared for his or her future roles. Now, take note of this saying. Nakalagay kasi sa konstitusyon natin na schools are the nursery of society. Okay? Ulitin ko. Under our constitution, it states there that schools are the nursery of our society. Now, bakit po siya tinawag na nursery of our society? Now, sa school kasi, tinuturo sa atin yung mga basic things that we need to know for us to become functioning members of our society. Also, sa paaralan po, ini-expose tayo sa ating mga mga bagay that we might encounter in real life. For example, yung entrepreneurship, no? Kung gusto mong magbenta sa pag yung bata gustong maging businessman, businesswoman when they grow up, ini-expose sila sa pagbebenta sa school pa lang. Now, this is what we call anticipatory socialization. Anticipatory socialization is a form of interaction where we guide our students or prepare them for their potential so that they could occupy whatever social and occupational roles they aspire in the future. So, sa school pa lang, pinaparanas na natin sa kanila so they can anticipate their role in the society.